Titanz Plumbing and Air Conditioning is hiring HVAC technicians. For qualified applicants, we're offering lucrative sign-on bonuses, top pay, benefits, and incentives. If you're a hardworking, self-motivated, and determined individual that can multitask with attention to detail, we'd like to talk with you. AC installation experience is required for HVAC positions. Titanz is a well-established company that's been delivering top-quality work in the home service industry around Southwest Florida for over 15 years. We are a family-owned and operated company that offers a friendly and efficient work environment. So come join our family and build a career you can be proud of. Apply now by calling our office at 941-875-9669. You can also email your resume to admin@titansplumbing.com. We are Titanz Plumbing and Air Conditioning for all your service needs.